Okay, here we go, man. Totally restored. Totally restored Mark IV. Better than original. This thing is amazing, brother. Here we go on the dozy. Oh, yeah, look at it go. Keying about 4 and peaking. Hello, almost 15. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Yes, man. Go to audio scale. Look at that cotton picker. Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah. You don't like this one, Paul. No doubt about it, man. Just thought I'd do a quick one. Got the original mic with it. And it just don't get any nicer than this radio, man. One of the best I've ever had come out of my shop. Take care, guys. Subscribe and thumbs up on the like button, please. See ya.